AI headshot generator, how to create professional headshots with AI. If you'd like to create professional headshots using AI, it is very simple for us to do so. Now what we're going to do is we can simply open up our browser and type in AI headshot generator free, because I'm just trying to do this with the free versions only. So what we're going to do is we'll simply go ahead and then open up a certain website over here. You can usually just tap the first link and select get free AI headshots right here. Now you can simply choose the style that you want it in, right? So I'll just select, let's say, a certain style over here. Now I'll choose the one selfie. So what I want to do is tap the upload button and I'll go ahead and then upload my particular photo over here. Once I've uploaded my photo in the format that I want, now after uploading my selfie, it will go ahead and then I can choose a couple of aspect ratio like this, and I can hit the generate button and it will generate that new headshot for me. So if it's in a graduation format, you will get in a graduation format. If it's in a wedding format, professional format, you can go ahead and choose any format that you prefer. And usually this is how you can create AI professional headshots with AI. Not only for graduation, you can also do for other studio settings and so on. So as you can see right over here, it has successfully generated it. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.